Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset or hard reset your Celero 5G. This particular device is with Boost Mobile. This tutorial should work on any similar devices from any service providers. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. As you see right here, it does have a passcode. So first step, we're going to turn off the device. So you want to hold the power. Then you want to tap on the power off. Make sure the device is completely turned off. Then what you want to press to perform the reset is the power and the volume up key. So press the volume up, then power on the device. You want to hold it for about a couple seconds until the device comes on, then release just the power and keep holding the volume up key. Once you get to the no command screen, I will show you what to do. So just keep holding. Now right here, what you want to do, you want to press the power, then press the volume up key. So press and hold the power, then press the volume up. You will get the menu. You want to scroll down to factory data reset using the volume down key, then press the power to confirm. Down to the second option, press the power again. Once that is done, you can go ahead and reboot your device. This is it guys, this is the end of my video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos, and thank you guys for your support and thank you for watching. I will see you next time.